So, turns out, read the fine prints of everything you buy. The picture on this eBay post was a hatch. Turns out, it was a coupe that they sent me a bumper and full kit for, which isn't a problem other than for the bumper. Everything else fits, should fit, but the bumper is different because the lines are different. So yeah, just sent an email to the company that I bought it from. Hopefully they fix this. They will. We'll figure it out. Till next time. So, we're going to be doing some fiberglass. Do I look dumb? Probably. So I'll show you what we're working with. Here's my bumper. I had it on the car, and my driveway kind of sucks. And the bumper cracked, yeah, so time to fix it. The fun of fiberglass and drifting. Wasn't even drifting, pretty lame, but I'll show you how we fix it. I'll show you what I've done so far. Oh shoot, alright. So, as you can tell, it's cracked here. And now, it's pretty much filled in. Now, I'm going to cut this area. Like I said in the previous video, probably. And cut this area out. And lay some more fiberglass. So, it doesn't move. Shouldn't do that. Yeah. So, I fitted the bumper a bit better. I had to like completely redo the front end of my car. The previous owner kind of hodgepodged it, but it's straight now. So this fits and it sits up a little bit higher off the ground. Here's the inside. The nice fiberglass. It's gross looking. I'm gonna clean the area. Look at that. So yeah, I cut these into smaller pieces. Now I'm gonna mix some good old resin. Mix her on up. Alright, let's get to business. And with all this extra, it's gonna make the bumper stronger, so not a bad thing. here's the thing. Here we have it, people. I'll get you guys all back here soon. Put some more layers on. Trim off the edge. And yeah. Yo.
Okay.
What's up?
What's up?
My dude Gary.
Okay.
He's gonna come help me film. And yeah, he's got a sweet RX-7 that he's gonna finish, hopefully. With 1J. But yeah, we back at it. We're gonna put some more fiberglass down. So, take over. So, it's over 12 inches. Just found a square box. And I'm trimming from the edges because it makes it way easier to cut. Alright, so hopefully that didn't get in my beer. Cheers. This is a little empty, but cheers. To the weekend. Bought these little brushes at Harbor Freight. They're like 9 cents, something like that. Pretty sweet because you can just throw them out and yeah. Gotta make do with what you got. Oh yeah. Is that too much? I don't know. Kind of just play it by ear. It's never really steered me wrong. Mix. Now just baste the chicken. Give it a nice soak. You want the flavor to get all throughout. Layer number 1. This thing is huge, but whatever. Actually, maybe a little too big. I'll just cut off the excess. And next episode, we can work on Gary's car. If he wants to.
Yeah, it's waiting on parts.
Which way not?
A lot of parts. Yeah, when someone says 1J swap your RX-7, don't listen to them.
Unless you want to be the coolest kid around. When it's done.
It's done.
See, I'm not cool at all because that thing's not right. Yeah. What's up? Hey, dude. 5.
I'm good.
Okay. I'm gonna switch out my doors. You want water?
No, I'm good. Got a beer only diet.
That's probably smart.
I'm gonna get my camera skills down pat.
Yeah, man. Well, you're always welcome to come do this because it makes it way easier.
Live action shots and then the occasional shake cam.
Shaking. It's a lot more sturdy than it was before. It's already getting harder though.
Oh shit. Beer down.
The arms of the angel fly away from here.
Fuck it. Alright, that's good enough.
Would it help if you put like another like really small piece on this side, just to give something to kind of stick Like,
I guess
I
you
know.
could try. That looks a lot better. That's why you bring fellow technicians to work on cars to do this. You can bounce off ideas. It can be a beautiful thing. Guess what? I'm changing another set of gloves.
Setting it off to the side to bake. This is how to wake up your neighbors.